Hi, teacher. My name is Sergio Hernandez. I going to explain my math, but firstly, I want to say that I have been trying for several hours to record my camera and screen, but only the premium version allows. I don't have the money to pay for it, so I will do it like this, okay? Uh, only the screen. Okay. I'm going to explain through the mental map my learning through the Colombian education course. Okay. I consider that the course allowed me to learn too about the education and ways of acquiring knowledge as a teacher. First part, I thought bilinguals as the axis of this course of these three keywords appear. Okay. The first is inclusion. The purpose of bilingualism, is the inclusion of the second and third language in the community as a learning method, not only in the Caucasian power community, but also in place of difficult access, indigenous communities and towns. Yeah, this is the inclusion for me. Okay, the second keyword is the implementation. In the National Bilingual Plan is a clear example of the implementation of measures for language acquisition, taking the role of need and language to be assertive in this is the process. Okay, the third keyword is participation. The participation of the government, studies, teachers, and students in the conclusion of learning is a link of success and allows bilinguals to adopt a success part or parts. Okay. After you can see communication. Communication is the second step. Uh, I choose the second point on the map because I consider that communication is the art of exchanging knowledge through interaction with the outside. In the same way, communication with outside is the factor of bilingualism, and in Colombia, the advantages will be from work as well as points of view. Okay, for that reason, I put communication and history as is a third part uh, because during the course I was be able to learn how the way a care learning has been studied, the recognition of the process that have been successful in the world, as well as the way of involving in Colombia. To be able to carry out a bilingual process, the history of the country is decisive for knowing its culture, language, custom, all this part of its language, and as a process bilingual is totally necessary. It's totally necessary for this process. In conclusion, this course was very learning for my work environment as a student. I thank the tutor and my classmate for feedback around uh, all days in the course, and I feeling happy for stay in this course. Okay, blessings. Um, bye bye.